Yes, all the respected viewers are welcome to the class. Top GK questions for all competitive examinations. Question 1. Donald J. Trump became the next president of the USA. A. 43rd, B. 47th, C. 46th, D. 42nd. Answer is Donald J. Trump became the 47th President of the USA. Question 2. Which country named Cyclone Dana? କେଉଁ ଦେଶ ବାତ୍ୟା ଦାନାର ନାମକରଣ କରିଥିଲା? A. ଇଜିପ୍ଟ, B. ତୁର୍କୀ, C. କୁଏତ, D. କତାର. Answer Qatar. Question 3. Which cyclone hit Odisha in 2014? A. Hudhud, B. Phylline, C. Titli, D. Phani. Cyclone hit Odisha in 2014 is Hudhud. Question number 4. Who became the 51st Chief Justice of India? A. Deepak Mishra, B. Sanjeev Khanna, C. D. Yashwant Chandrachud, D. Uday Umesh Lalit. 51st Chief Justice of India. Answer B. Sanjeev Khanna. Question number 5. Who is known as the father of general knowledge? A. Buidanish, B. Ralu Venkaya, C. Bhaikaiji, comma, D. Tiradan. Known as the father of general knowledge, Bhikaiji. Answer C. Question 6. What nationality was Charlie Chaplin? American, British, Canadian, German. Charlie Chaplin was British nationality. Answer B. Question number 7. In which period of time Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat? A. 2002 to 2015, B. 2001 to 2013, C. 2000 to 2014, D. 2001 to 2014. Answer Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat during the time D. 2001 to 2014. Question number 8. Which is known as the Silver City of Odisha? Sambalpur, Brahmapur, Cuttack, Rourkela. Answer Cuttack. Question number 9. Which river is known as the Southern Ganges of India or Dakhin Ganga of India? A. Narmada, B. Kaveri, C. Krishna, option D. Godavari. Southern Ganges of India, Godavari. Question number 9, answer D. Question 10. Who is the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Sikandar Khan, B. Manoj Sinha, C. Omar Abdullah, D. Surinder Kumar Chaudhary. Currently, the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir is Omar Abdullah. Question number 10, answer C. Question 11. The Olympic Games are held in every Dex years. 3 years, 2 years, 5 years, 4 years. Answer: Olympic Games are held in every 4 years. Question number 12. In which year the Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Mother Teresa? A. 1978, B. 1979, C. 1980, D. 1981. Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Mother Teresa in 1979. Question number 12, answer B. Question 13. What is the national sports of Bangladesh? A. Kabaddi, B. Baseball, C. Sumo, D. Volleyball. National sports of Bangladesh. Kabaddi answer. Question 14. Which country has the highest consumption of gold in the world? A. India, B. China, C. Italy, D. Australia. Highest consumption of gold in the world country is B. China. Question number 15. Who is the author of The Discovery of India? A. M.K. Gandhi, B. Narendra Modi, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Author of The Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru is the writer of that book. Question number 15, answer D. Question 16. Which country is called the bread basket of Europe? Ukraine, Russia, Finland, France. Bread basket of Europe. Answer Ukraine. Question number 17. Yes. What is not the name of a flower? Clovers, poppy, orchid, tulip. The three names are the flowers, but one is different. That is not the flower. You have to identify it. Question number 17. Flowers is not a flower. It is a European bird. Question number 18. Iguana is a oblique and dex. Iguana gote kono? A. Mammal, B. Reptile, C. Amphibian, D. Bird. Iguana is a reptile. Answer B. Question number 19. Which one is a non-edible fruit? A. Apricot, B. Acai, C. Getty, D. Fig. What is a non-edible fruit? Answer Getty. Question number 19, answer C. Question 20. Which animal has a third eye on the top of its head? A. Tutara, B. Komodo dragon, C. Crocodile, D. Chameleon. Yes. Answer. Tutara has the third eye on the top of its head. Question number 20. Answer A. 21. What is the largest flower in the world? Lotus, Rafflesia arnoldi, Rafflesia activa, Titan arum. The largest flower in the world is Rafflesia arnoldi. Question number 21, answer B. Then question 22. Mohan Charan Majhi, currently serving as the next Chief Minister of Odisha. 14, 15, 16, 17th. Mohan Charan Majhi, currently serving as the 15th Chief Minister of Odisha. Question number 22, answer B. 23. Japan's three closest neighbors are A. China, India and Indonesia. B. Korea, China and Russia. C. Iran, Vietnam and Yemen. D. Russia, Korea and Iraq. Japan's three closest neighbors are B. result achi B. Korea, China and Russia. Question number 24. Which river flows near the Taj Mahal? Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Chambal. Answer. The river Yamuna flows near the Taj Mahal. Question number 24, answer B. Yes, this much, but wait for our next important GK class, and you should follow our channel KCP Competitive Examinations for every upcoming competitive examinations. Thank you for watching.